We're here at America's Tire in Cathedral City, right near where our Bowlus store. Rings with Saturn are getting 2 new Goodyear Endurance tires. And the old tires, you can see uneven tire wear in Wyoming. But anyways, now you got your tires.